If you want an easy way to save your login details in Microsoft Edge, this video is going to walk you through it step by step. Saving passwords in Edge can save you time, reduce typing, and make it much easier to sign in to your favorite websites and apps. It's a simple feature, but once you know where it is, you'll be able to manage your saved passwords much faster. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Microsoft Edge browser on your computer. In the top right corner, click the three dots menu. This opens the main Edge menu where you can access all of the browser settings and tools. From here, click on Settings. That will take you to the full settings page for Edge. Once you're in Settings, look for the section called Passwords and Autofill. This is where Microsoft Edge keeps all of the options related to saved logins, form filling, and password management. Click on Passwords and Autofill to open it. Now you should see Microsoft Password Manager. This is the built-in password feature that Edge uses to store and manage login information securely. Click on Microsoft Password Manager, and inside that section, look for the option to add a password. Go ahead and click Add Password. A form will appear where you can manually enter the details for the website you want to save. In the web URL field, type the website address. Make sure this is the correct login page or website URL, so Edge knows exactly where to use the saved password. Next, enter the username you use for that account. Then type the password you want to save. Take a moment to double-check everything before continuing. Make sure the web address is correct, the username is spelled properly, and the password is entered exactly as you want it saved. Once all of the information looks good, click Add. And that's it. Your password is now saved in Microsoft Edge, and the browser can help you sign in more quickly the next time you visit that website. This is especially useful if you manage multiple accounts or want a quicker way to access your most used sites. If you ever need to update or remove a saved password later, you can always return to the same Passwords and Autofill area in Settings and manage it from there. That gives you full control over what Edge remembers for you. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple browser tutorials, computer tips, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.